Don't ask, don't mind, but I'm gonna try making salsa for the first time. I was gonna try making a salsa and a kind of guacamole, but I'm just gonna do salsa right now. If you can't hear me, I apologize. We have these items from the garden, plus I got a red onion, and we have garlic still from the farm. I may or may not use all of these because this one doesn't look quite ready yet. But I'll probably use this one, the jalapenos, and damn it, Daniel, there's water. And damn, Daniel, and this little red hot pepper. And I have scallions in the fridge because this recipe that I found online, I'm gonna like do my own thing, but use the majority of the ingredients they recommended. You need a lime, also scallions, and I have a red onion, and then salt, pepper, chili powder, and they say cumin, but you don't need it, but I might put like a pinch of it. And I'm gonna use some of this scallions. I'm gonna cut the scallions first. Probably a lot more than we need, but I like scallions. Oh, wrong one. Hey, Booms.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay. It's gonna be like a salad. Right?
Is there a plastic?
You're giving them foods?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna use the white part too, just and if I don't cut them that small, then who cares? I'm making it, it's my food. You probably can't even see what I'm doing. Tomatoes. Looks so good. It's definitely right. This is one of our tomatoes.
Oh, really? Looks good?
Yeah, it
looks
smells
good.
like a real tomato.
Nice. I can smell it.
Along with this thing to chop my garlic from toilet table. I haven't used this yet, but I used the thing. The garlic, it's for the peel. Take the peel off. I'll show you how to use it. It's really cool. I'll be right back. I have this so far. I'm gonna do one more tomato. Do you see it? Here? Okay. This, I have scallions and tomato. And then I'm gonna use this one. This one's more mushy. As you can see, maybe, maybe not. And on one side at least. I'm gonna do the peppers. I'm gonna do them at my own risk. I'm probably not gonna use the whole onion though. I'm just gonna use some of it, and I might use less garlic than I normally do. But we'll see. Okay. So what you do is you take one nice clove of garlic. I know you don't have paper towel. And then you put it in here. And you push down a little so it has a little bit of pressure. And you rub it back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. And the skin should...
Looks good.
Thanks. Mostly tomato with... It's a tomato pepper salad.
Sure.
Right? And I think I get cilantro from the garden. I almost forgot about her. It's my first time making a salsa. If you will. And you will. And you're gonna like it. And maybe I'll taste it on camera. I usually don't taste my food when I make it anymore on camera. I don't know why, I just don't. Because by the time I'm done filming, I just want to sit down and eat. And that's the truth. Like, I'm not entertaining. Can I sit and eat in quiet? Peace and quiet. That's the truth. Oh my god, I smell it and it smells so good. Again, it doesn't have to be quick. I'm about to start chopping just because I'm tired. Okay. Oh, this has to be cut. Okay. Manually. Some of these pieces are a little big still. I don't know if this is too much or just enough. So I'm just going. This is the majority of the salsa that I just made. I'm gonna put some seasonings and get the cilantro from our garden. And then we're gonna do a taste test. We're gonna do a dash of cumin. Dash. Because we like to taste. So of course black pepper. Of course. And some freshly ground Himalayan pink salt. Really salt. Should put olive oil in here. No, it's not Italian. I don't think we did that in their recipe, but this is my recipe. We're Italian in this house, where I am, Daniel's house. So before I grab this cilantro and our dinner off the grill that's hopefully not overdone, we're gonna taste it. I'm gonna taste it. It smells good. It kind of smells like a... whatchamacallit. I'm gonna probably put it in this prettier bowl. And it's all of the wildflowers with the bridge there look gorgeous. So good. Spicy. I need something. Besides cilantro, my mouth is on spicy. And more chili. Some more lime. So this is cilantro from our garden. It looks a little funny because there's just flower buds growing out of it. That's all it wants to do. I'm gonna rinse it. I don't usually cut like this, but I thought it would be funny. Smell it. Get all that, the flavor out of it, the oil. Chopping cilantro. I just dropped it on the floor. Whatever else was left on there, we're gonna throw that in there. So everything but the sink. Alright, so mixing that in with the extra seasonings. We really cook here. It tastes better with the cilantro. Do a taste test for me? Get a spoon. Tell me what you think. What do you think? What do you think about it, Daniel? Would you actually eat that?
Yeah. I mean,
It's not salsa like we know salsa.
I would love it on some tacos.
Yeah.
No, I want some tacos.
I put fajita seasoning on the steak.
Oh, good.
And veggies.
Yeah.
Right? I feel like it needs more lemon or lime or something.
I think it's perfect. It's just,
Thanks. Like, it's not what we're used to. You do? Thanks. I pulled this out because I dropped a piece of garlic and I don't know how I'm going to get it out. I think I could see it, but I can't get to it. That's my salsa. Thanks. Salsa? I can make myself salsa. Down. This bowl's about to fall apart. I gotta move it into something else. That's what I'm gonna do. I can make myself salsa. Make it so I can eat it. It's delicious. Yum. Yum.